If you're working on the front lines in a dangerous job, chances are you've worn a bulletproof vest. From police officers to military personnel, these life-saving garments are essential for protection. We've all seen dramatic movie scenes where characters survive gunshots just because they were wearing one. But have you ever wondered how bulletproof vests are actually made? In today's video, we're diving into the process behind this incredible protective gear. You might be surprised to learn that it all starts with a single thread. But this isn't just any ordinary thread. It's crafted from specially engineered materials designed to be extremely strong and durable. Two of the most well-known materials used in bulletproof vests are Kevlar and Dyneema. Kevlar is created through a process where a liquid chemical blend is spun into solid fibers. These fibers are incredibly tough, 5 times stronger than steel when compared by weight. Stay tuned as we break down the fascinating process behind making bulletproof vests and how they help save lives. This incredible strength makes Kevlar an obvious choice for ballistic protection, but Dyneema is just as impressive. It's created through a gel spinning process that produces fibers 15 times stronger than steel. What's even more amazing is that Dyneema isn't just strong, it's also incredibly flexible. This unique combination allows for excellent protection without sacrificing comfort, making it a perfect choice for body armor. But how does something as soft as fabric stop a speeding bullet? It might seem counterintuitive, but the science behind body armor is surprisingly simple. It all comes down to energy dispersion. Think of bulletproof material as a highly advanced net. When a bullet strikes, the energy is spread out across the fabric, slowing it down and preventing penetration. Once these specialized fibers are created, they go through machines that wrap and stretch them into yarn. Since yarn plays a crucial role in constructing bulletproof textiles, it must be both strong and flexible to withstand impact, while remaining comfortable to wear. Now, let's move on to the next step in the process. Once the yarn is ready, it is woven into sheet materials using large industrial machines. These machines carefully interlock the yarns in a precise pattern to create ballistic textiles, the foundation of bulletproof vests. The weaving process is crucial because it directly impacts the vest's strength and effectiveness. By meticulously controlling the way the yarns are interwoven, manufacturers produce super durable sheets that can withstand high impact forces. At the end of this process, the material is typically produced in large rolls, similar to fabric rolls found in craft stores, but significantly stronger and more resilient. Once the ballistic textiles are ready, they must be cut into the correct shapes for vest panels. This is done using industrial cutting presses, which slice through multiple layers of material at once. Since this step is carried out by specialized machines, the cutting patterns are highly precise, ensuring that each piece fits together perfectly to form the front and back panels of the vest. The cutting process must be extremely accurate because even small variations in shape or size can impact the vest's performance and protection. Now let's move on to the next stage of assembly. The vest's performance depends on how well the panels cover vital areas of the body, while still allowing for mobility. After the ballistic fabric is cut, the next step is to assemble the layers into a ballistic panel. The number of layers required depends on the level of protection needed. For example, a vest designed to stop high-velocity rifle rounds will have more layers than one meant to stop handgun bullets. For Kevlar-based vests, the layers are stitched together to form a strong, complete panel. This stitching ensures that the layers stay in place and effectively absorb and distribute impact force, preventing penetration. To protect the ballistic panel from moisture, dust, and other environmental factors, it is enclosed in a protective cover. Depending on the design and materials used, this cover can be heat-sealed or sewn. The protective cover not only shields the panel from damage, but also helps maintain its durability and performance over time. Now, let's move on to the final steps in making a bulletproof vest ready for action. To maintain its shape and integrity, the ballistic panel is enclosed in a protective cover. Now we arrive at the final step in crafting a bulletproof vest, placing the ballistic panels into a carrier. The carrier is a specially designed vest that holds the panels securely in place, ensuring they remain positioned correctly against the body even during movement. It has pockets that keep the panels from shifting, which is crucial for maintaining consistent protection. Carriers are a core component of bulletproof vests, designed for both comfort and adjustability. They allow the wearer to customize the fit for maximum protection and ease of movement. Some carriers also feature additional pockets for inserting extra panels or accessories. These extra inserts, known as trauma plates, provide added protection against blunt force impacts from powerful rounds. With technology constantly evolving, bulletproof vests are becoming more advanced than ever. Researchers and manufacturers are continually exploring new materials and innovative designs to improve safety, comfort, and performance. As science progresses, so does the future of personal protection gear, ensuring that those on the front lines stay safer than ever before. The materials and processes used in bulletproof vest construction are constantly evolving. For example, Tacticon Armament is developing ultra-microfibers to create vests that are not only bulletproof but also stab-resistant. These incredibly fine fibers can even protect against gritty particles blasted out by roadside bombs, providing an extra layer of protection for those who need it most. Meanwhile, scientists at the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory are working on artificial silk, a groundbreaking material that could revolutionize body armor. This high-tech fabric has the potential to be stronger than Kevlar, while offering greater flexibility and better temperature regulation. A game-changer for those who need to wear protective gear for long hours. Comfort is just as important as protection, especially for individuals who wear bulletproof vests daily. To address this, manufacturers are incorporating moisture-wicking linings and ergonomic designs to enhance wearability. These advancements make vests more breathable and comfortable, ensuring that users can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. Beyond comfort, smart textiles are also making their way into body armor. Researchers are exploring ways to integrate technology into vests, potentially adding real-time monitoring systems or adaptive protection features. As innovations continue, the future of bulletproof vests is looking safer, smarter, and more advanced than ever before. The bulletproof vests of the future could do more than just protect against bullets. They could also monitor the wearer's vital signs and environmental conditions in real time. This means enhanced safety, as personnel can be tracked and monitored, especially in harsh or high-risk environments. Thanks to advancements in materials and manufacturing techniques, bulletproof vests are becoming lighter and thinner without sacrificing protection. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect vests to become even more effective and versatile. Interestingly, the demand for bulletproof vests is now extending beyond military and law enforcement. Even civilians are increasingly seeking personal protection gear. Manufacturers are now designing stylish, low-profile vests that blend seamlessly with everyday wear. As safety, comfort, and style come together, the future of bulletproof vests is set to be smarter, sleeker, and more accessible than ever before. This growing demand is driving innovation in the industry, as manufacturers work to meet the diverse needs of their customers. With a global shift towards sustainability, many companies are now exploring eco-friendly alternatives to reduce the environmental footprint of bulletproof vests. Some are experimenting with recycled fibers and biodegradable materials, while others are looking into unexpected options, such as hemp fabric. Surprisingly, hemp is a cost-effective and sustainable alternative that can still provide the necessary level of protection. The process of making a bulletproof vest is both complex and fascinating. From the creation of specialized threads to the final assembly, each step plays a crucial role in ensuring safety. Whether for military personnel, law enforcement, or civilians, these life-saving garments will continue to evolve and protect individuals from ballistic threats. So, the next time you see a bulletproof vest, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the intricate process behind its creation. These vests are a true testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of safety and security. That's all from us. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep exploring the fascinating world of protective technologies.